Here is the Rokform motorcycle mount vibration dampener version 1. We'll go ahead and open it. All I gotta do is just slide it apart. All right, with the box slid out, you got your instructions. Here is the actual anti-vibration piece. It has a push tab to release the phone. It'll be interesting to see how easily that comes off. But yeah, that is a little bit bigger than the normal one, which I expected to. And then it comes with the new screw and the Allen key or Torx key to put it on the bike. We'll go ahead and put it on. And here are the instructions. Pretty self-explanatory. Just make sure you get the right one. That is the biggest thing. I believe there's 2 different ones. There's V1 and V2. So just make sure you get the right one. To remove the old one, you just need to take the Allen key and loosen the bolt. The good thing is they actually put Loctite on there for you. See, it's got the little groove piece that you'll line up inside the bracket right there. And so there's Loctite on the existing bolt. We'll go ahead and put the new one on. New screw with Loctite. All right, now we're just gonna make sure we take this and line it up. It should just fit right in there. And the Rokform should be straight. All right, get the screw in, tighten it down. You don't need to crank it down too much, but just crank it down enough where it's not gonna come loose. Like I said, it's got Loctite on it, so it'll stay. Give it a good torque down. Not putting much force on it. Now it's mounted. All right, Rokform case. You can use this or the universal one, but it lines up the same way your other one did. Just put on, clicks in place, which gives you a little bit more stability than before. Well, that's what it looks like with the phone attached. It is much bigger mounting bracket than the other one. Go ahead and release it, one hand, just push the tab down. I do like the extra added feature there to lock the phone down. Makes me feel a little bit safer, but that is the vibration dampener V1 for Rokform. If you got any questions, put them down in the links below. I greatly appreciate it. We'll catch you on the next one. Ride safe, ride something. Peace.